Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the JIBB Whiteboard Notebook with a webcam. So I'm going to dive straight into my control panel here inside the JIBB workspace. I'm going to make sure that my surface is selected as JIBB Whiteboard Notebook. My input is already selected as webcam, and in the camera drop down I can choose between my external USB camera or my built-in webcam. I'm going to select the external one, which happens to be a 4K quality camera, which we highly recommend using to get the best possible results. So if you don't see any camera devices in your drop down, you can click update list and it will repopulate with any available devices. So I've turned the camera preview on, and this is probably the most important step, making sure that the camera can see all of the writing surface before I click start. So I'm going to click start, and I'm going to move my hands out of the way so that while JIBB is automatically detecting the surface, it can see everything it needs to. And now, as you can see, it's telling me to start writing, and you'll see a green frame around the writing surface. I'm just going to add some text. And as you can see, my content is appearing in real time. And that's how you use JIBB with your whiteboard notebook. If you'd like to learn more, please go to our help page to watch any other tutorial videos, and I'd like to thank you for watching.